Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the best source, choose the highest quality clip and make sure playback is real time. Then load the color corrector palette or make a neutral preset so you have consistent controls. Open scopes, waveform for exposure and vector scope for color cast, because you will use them to measure, not guess. Once done, set your monitor to 6,500 degrees Kelvin and disable any display LUTs. This gives you a neutral reference and prevents misleading adjustments. Now you perform primary corrections using lift, gamma, and gain. Lift the blacks, tweak gamma for midtones, and use gain to control highlights. Keep an eye on waveform peaks so you do not clip. Next, balance white with temperature and tint controls, nudging until skin tones sit near the vector scope skin line, because that centers color without guesswork. Finally, lower or raise saturation gently. Saturation affects color intensity and will reveal color imbalances if pushed too far, so use it last. To finish, refine with secondary corrections. Create masks or keys for specific hues, skin, or highlights, and adjust exposure or hue only where needed to avoid global shifts. Once refined, apply a subtle LUT or film emulation at about 10 to 20% to unify the look without overwhelming your work. If you see banding or artifacts, stop and check bit depth, reset node or layer order, and reevaluate with scopes. That usually resolves processing errors and preserves smooth color transitions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.